right, y'all, so y'all see what we got here. This don't need no type of introduction whatsoever. You already know what it is. You can tell by the quad lights. 1970 Chevrolet convertible Malibu 350. Enough said, right? Super iconic car, beautiful car, well built, beautiful interior, paint, everything. So we will just go ahead and get into it. As you can see, she's finishing that beautiful I think you say mousseline. I think that's how you say it, mousseline blue. Paint is beautiful. Probably say it's about an 8.5 to a 9. The few little swirls and scratches you have here are literally from tiles when you do your washes and the detailing. Other than that, super clean, all trim intact. New tires, white letters, of course. Moving down the door looks properly aligned. I don't have any dents or scratches that need to be pointed out as we move down here. Wheel trim intact. And then as we look at this rear quarter panel, no waves, no dents, beautiful. Again, top is in excellent condition. You guys will see that later on in the video. And as I always say, when we're underneath the lights, you guys can see the lights super clear. So great clarity through the depth of the paint. Rear bumper looks great. No rust, no dents, no cracks. We're gonna move around here. Let's go ahead and look down this driver's side. No waves, no dents. Like I said, body on this car is amazing. Keep on coming down the driver's side. Again, doors look properly aligned. And there's our front fender. Checking out the front glass. Front glass is good. I don't have any cracks or rock chips. I actually do see a little rock chip over here on the passenger side. I only saw it how the light caught it. Right here. So we got a little rock chip in the lower part of the windshield. Back to the front of the car. Hood looks nice and clean. No dents, no waves. And again, properly aligned there. One of the biggest issues I got with my vehicle is this alignment right here. My hood sits up way too high right here, so super beneficial. Beauty rings around the headlights look great. You got the gray Malibu grill, and front bumper looks great. Again, no rust, no dents. Let's go ahead and pop the hood. Super clean underneath. You got the 350 Chevy orange, AC equipped, new new master cylinder and brake booster. Very clean under here. OG new, but OG battery. Very clean under here all the way. Go ahead and grab the keys, show you guys the trunk. Still got your original jack papers. Super clean trunk. It's been resplattered, of course. I love the gray splatter paint. Not gonna pull this all the way up because it's a little bit sticky, but you can see trunk hands look amazing. OG spare tire cover, gonna leave that alone. And the weather stripping obviously has been replaced. Super solid, nice and thick. Into the interior, beautiful ivory leather seats. No rips, no discoloration. And our panels look amazing as well. Black carpet. Open up this door. Carpet's clearly been replaced at some point in time. Got a nice dark sheen to it still. Center console, you got your horseshoe shifter. And our passenger seat. Pretty sure these seats have been redone. They look too amazing. And we got our door panels. No warping, no discoloration. Like I said, it's just a super solid car all the way around. And I'm gonna show you, the doors are super aligned properly. I barely pushed it and it locked in. So it's another thing that I truly appreciate. Coming in on the driver's side. Great door panel again on the driver's side. No warping, no discoloration. And our driver's seat looks amazing as well. No rips, no tears, and no wear patterns. Mileage reads 26,759. Dash is solid. Give me a second. We're gonna knock out this test drive. All right, y'all, let's get started in this test drive in the Chevelle. See if I got this car. Yep, here we go. Fire's right up. That 350 sounds good. We're gonna let her warm up. Lights are on. Wipers good. Horn good. Manual windows, won't worry about that. Oh, I think the radio works. Yep.
The reconciliation phase with it.
Radio works. No, that's super dope. That's probably one thing that I would change. I go retro sound clearly. AC is blowing, vent kicked on. You can see the dust kick up out of there. What else we got? No dash light, not super important though. Lock this back. All right. And lighter works. I don't know why I like checking that. Just like to see if that fuse is still working. She definitely sounds good. Go ahead and pull her out. It's actually a decent day now. It was chilly yesterday, but we're back to 62. Obviously, we in the south, so it is pollen everywhere. You guys, look at that Impala, covered in yellow. Cars, let's go. Speedometer is working. Tank reads full. You guys know how that is. Maybe it's accurate, maybe it's not. No way to really know. Alignment feels good. Hands off the wheel. She's tracking straight. Little slight pull to the left, but it might be the road too. I'm gonna try this again once I've been this corner. Shifts feel smooth. All right, hands off. Yeah, it was just the road, so no issues there on the brakes. Motor sounds strong though. I mean, you know, 300 horsepower, you know, a little bit underrated. Let's say closer to 325 more than likely. Decent power, honestly. Sounds good, pulls good. I don't hear any motor, no squealing, no belts or anything like that. Brakes feel super solid as well. I would personally need a little bit of a louder exhaust. This is one of them cars that you leave as it is. It's a 350 car. This is not a swap car by any means at all. So a little bit louder exhaust. Enjoy the top being down and cruise it. Keep it how it is. It's not begging for SS conversion. Leave it how it is. Got a little Shelby GT. That boy look clean. I like them new Mustangs. I ain't never had a Mustang, but I do like the new body style. I think they're super clean. But again, no issues with this car. We're gonna get back. I'm gonna throw it on the rack so you guys can see under. Oh, I ain't checked the turn signals. My fault, y'all. Right turn signal, you guys can see, is on. Left turn signal. There you go. So signal's good. Everything's working in the vehicle. Let's get her back and check out underneath. All right, y'all, we got 70 on the rack, and I'm telling you, it's clean underneath. It's just as it is up top. Super clean gas tank, obviously new. Exhaust has been done as well. I can tell the shocks have been replaced. It's a factory 12 bolt, so you guys know that. Drums in the rear. Everything looks like it's been coated, recoated, so it looks super, super clean underneath. Frame nice and straight all the way through. And then as we look at them floors, again, I can't point out anything here. Driver side, same frame, nice and straight, and floors look beautiful. You guys see we just came off the test drive. Bone dry under here in the trans and the oil pan. Look how clean this trans looks. Super clean. Disc brakes up in the front. You can tell those calipers are new as well. And that's about it. Everything else looks clean under here. Like I said, the motor's been painted all the way down to the oil pan. Front bumper looks solid. No rust, no dents. Tires are new at all four corners, so we won't talk about that again. Wheel wells look clean. Underneath the car, again, solid. I don't have any bubbling or rust that I need to point out. And rear quarter looks solid. Go ahead and get on over here. Got a little tiny bit of a burn smell, just in case if it doesn't go away by the time the new purchaser gets it. And it's because of the new exhaust. That's all it is. When you put new exhaust in, you know, it has to blow that stuff out. That's all it is. So want to make sure I highlight that because I can still kind of smell it as I went around. All right, y'all, we'll go ahead and fire her up so I can let the top up. You guys can see. Again, you can tell how clean and how perfect this car already is. You know the top's gonna be great. Clearly it's been replaced, but still, you got a glass back. Pads are nice and thick. No rust on the frames at all. Alright, so again, vinyl matches the interior. Nice and tight, not even locked down yet. But no rips, no tears, no discoloration. Y'all know the saying. Light's good. So if you guys are interested in this 70, give us a call, 256-801-4409. Check us out at Rolling Museums on the website and Instagram. As always, appreciate you watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe.